Ignition sequence start.
Any word from NASA about our mission?
Zip, zilch, nada, nit, niet, no. What are you up to, Stanley?
Well, Malcolm, to be successful on any space mission, you have to know about the Earth's atmosphere. And the weather is a big part of that, so I'm checking out our local forecast.
Yeah? Well, the hot atmosphere in my suit is making my sweat glands work overtime.
Why don't you adjust the temperature gauge?
There's a temperature gauge?
If you're done, NASA has got to know that we're the most prepared candidates for any mission to study the Earth's atmosphere. So what's important to brush up on?
Hey, I got one. The atmosphere. Just what is it? Am I holding it here in my hands?
Why is our atmosphere important? How is it unique? What other planets have an atmosphere?
I've always wondered, how high does it go? How big is it?
These are good questions. I think I know some good places to look for the answers. Let's get started.
Air keeps us alive. Every day we breathe about 23,000 liters of it. Put it this way. This empty bottle is just 1 liter. So that means we breathe about 23,000 of these babies a day.
Air is going to be a tough topic to research. I mean, we can't see it, can't touch it.
Yeah, it's a tough one, but it's important to NASA, so it's important to us.
I guess you can smell air because right now, mine kind of smells like the garlic pizza I ate last night.
Malcolm, you've just covered the most basic point.
I did?
We don't have to see air to know it's there. Normally, we can't see it or feel it unless it's moving, cold, hot, or dirty. But it's there all the time, all around us.
Hey, just like millions of creatures live in the ocean, we live in a sea of air.
Excellent metaphor, my friend. In fact, this sea of air is a lot like the ocean. It has currents and waves, and it flows all around the planet. This is our atmosphere. Air is a mixture of gases. The air in our atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases such as carbon dioxide. Nitrogen and oxygen are the key ingredients for life to exist as we know it.
So what does the atmosphere do?
All sorts of things. It provides the air we breathe. It gives us our changing weather. It protects us from harmful radiation from the sun, such as ultraviolet rays. It protects us from space debris, such as meteoroids that could crash into the Earth's surface. It also works like a greenhouse. Some of the sunlight that passes through the atmosphere strikes Earth and bounces back towards space. Some of that light escapes, but the rest is trapped by the atmosphere, keeping the Earth from getting too hot during the day and too cold at night.
Pretty cool.
It is amazing, but it's not invincible. Some human activities, such as the burning of coal, oil, and natural gas, add large amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases to the atmosphere. These gases absorb extra heat from the sun. If we're not careful, then our cozy, comfortable Earth would become too hot for life to survive at all.
I'm ready.
If we didn't have an atmosphere to regulate temperatures, what celestial body might we resemble most? Give up? Well, our moon for one. Our moon doesn't have an atmosphere, so temperatures are extremely hot on the side that faces the sun and extremely cold on the side that faces away from it. Brr.